on KSL.com.
But more water's coming this week.
A little bit more. Today the charts aren't as excited about these storms, kind of like the crystal ball, you know. And I've told you before, I look 3 days out and I predict the weather fairly accurately. From 3 to 7 days, we're giving you a trend, and that's how our forecast will be. As we look at City Creek Canyon once again, may I remind you, you do not need to water your lawn. This is how we conserve. Early in the season, we've had plenty of water. The only thing you can do, my suggestion would be, is go out and do a little hosing of those dry spots, if in fact there are any, or put some hose water on the flowers that you made. If you've planted grass or you have some sod, that's a different story. Now look at some of these totals, 24-hour totals. Snowbird, look at this. 14 inches, Alta 10 inches. I've added up the total at Alta. Alta is now over 55 inches of snow for this storm. That's a lot of powder. 4,500s in Wellsville, North Holiday 0.34, Olympus Cove 0.32, U of U 0.29, and Bountiful. I had 1 inch of snow at my house this morning and 1/1800ths of an inch, and there was anywhere from 2 to 3 inches of snow in the Olympus Cove and some of those higher bench areas as this storm moved by. Now it has quickly worked its way into the Four Corners area. 51 there in Salt Lake City, 52 in Provo right now, 57 in Great Falls. Good news. Yeah, you say 50 in Seattle, so what? Well, this warm air that's in San Francisco is going to be pushed eastward, and this cool air will stay north of us tomorrow. There is a front forming, and that front is going to be here on Tuesday. It'll be followed by another wave, it looks like, on Thursday. Both of the long-range computer models indicate that the Thursday storm probably won't be as intense as I might have thought it would have been yesterday, but we'll still keep an eye on it. Here's the storm developing up in the northwest. There's where the showers will be tomorrow, from Seattle to Portland and up into western Montana. Breezy conditions will develop here along the Wasatch Front in the afternoon Monday, especially west side of the valley, point of the mountain. Be alert for that. And then as this cold front sags south, you can see there's just a little line of showers. So a 30% chance for some showers on Tuesday. And it's going to turn very windy across central and southern Utah. It'll probably be quite breezy in Salt Lake City on Tuesday as well. Next 24 hours, though, delightful. Probably the best day of the next 7 days. So enjoy your Monday. 70 in Moab, 74 Lake Powell, Hanksville 75. Nighttime lows, though, are going to be under the freezing mark in many areas. A 22 in Beaver, but recovering up to 65. 25 and 66 in Richfield. 21 and 64 there in Manti. 77 for St. George. Then 84 both Tuesday and Wednesday, but we're going to put the windies on there for you. Front goes by again Thursday. Clouds, no precipitation. Back up to 83 then. Over the weekend now, it looks like another storm will attempt to develop about Sunday. I put the breezy on here, but that's not for the morning hours. We have a frost advisory for the areas outside of Salt Lake City. Typical cold spots like Tremonton, south towards the Goshen area. And then the breezy moves in the afternoon. Temperatures are going to be in the upper 60s tomorrow. Dippy to 60, 30% chance breezy Tuesday, 30% chance Thursday, coldest day of the weekend. Then over the weekend, I did put a 40% chance on Sunday, but remember that Thursday through Sunday time frame is a trend. Okay. Just kind of look at it as a trend. We'll update it.
I like high 60s tomorrow.
It's going to be a great day. Good day to golf, good day to go to work, take your lunch.
Okay. Thanks, Dan.
We're back right after this.